Easy Polish with Dorota Cooper. When to use the accusative case Biernik in the Polish language. Kiedy należy użyć biernika w języku polskim? The accusative Biernik is the fourth of 7 Polish cases. It is related to the activity or function relative to the described object. The accusative Biernik answers to the questions kogo, who, co, what, and its usage is mostly the same as in the English or German language. Questions kogo, who, co, what. The question kogo, who refers to people, and the question co to things. The accusative case, Biernik, has only one new ending compared to other cases and is therefore quite easy to learn. Only the division of masculine can cause a bit of confusion. Number 1. The accusative Biernik is used with transitive verbs similar to the German language. The most important transitive verbs are presented below. Robić, to do, to make. Badać, to examine. Brać, to take. Budować, to build. Całować, to kiss. Czytać, to read. Jeść, to eat. Kupić, kupować, to buy. Kochać, to love. Znać, to know. Bić, to beat. Malować, to paint. Mieć, to have. Nieść, nosić, to carry. Piec, to bake. Pisać, to write. Zamykać, to close. Chwalić, to commend. Lubić, to like. Tłumaczyć, to explain. Trzymać, to keep. Witać, to welcome. Ubrać, ubierać, to dress. Spędzać, to spend. Number 2. Object indication in affirmative sentence. In negative sentences, genitive is always required. Please check my video on genitive case. Examples. Dziecko czyta książkę. The child reads a book. Co czyta dziecko? What does the child read? Chętnie spędzam wolny czas ze znajomymi. I like to spend my free time with friends. Steven bije swojego brata. Steven hits his brother. Kogo bije Steven? Who does Steven beat? Number 3. Some prepositions like przez, through, over, po, after. In the German language, use with the verbs abholen or picked up. Na, in, on, only with verbs regarding to motion, otherwise used with dative. Examples. Dzieci biegły przez łąkę. Children ran through the meadow. On idzie przez las. He walks through woods. Przyjdę jutro po ciebie i razem pójdziemy do miasta. I will pick you up tomorrow and we will go together to the town. On często chodzi na spacer. He often goes for a walk. Number 4. Uncertain phrases to reflect the timing or spatial restriction. Examples. On pracuje cały dzień. He works all day. Nie spałem całą noc. I did not sleep the whole night. Całe wakacje spędziłem nad morzem. I spent the whole summer holidays at the seaside. Number 5. To describe physical or mental condition like boleć, to hurt, swędzić, swędzić, to itch, cieszyć się, to enjoy, and nudzić się, to get bored. Examples. Boli mnie noga. My leg hurts. Psa swędzi łapa. The dog's paw itches. Studentów strasznie nudzi ta książka. Students are very bored with this book. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia. Poland, stay classy.